We have just said that when we call a function with a value or a variable, we've said that we pass the value, not the variable itself. However, if I do want to pass the by reference, it could be a list. So I can define another function called another double. However, I need to use a double list. Okay, so that takes a list called LST, and it's going to double all the values, and it will return the list. Okay, so I'm going to say for I in range of length of the LST. So, and then I'm going to say LST of I is LST of I times 2. So basically I'm multiplying all the values in the list. Then I'm going to return LST. So let's run this and then see what happens. So in order to call this, I need let's call LST1. And then I'll have a bunch of values, let's say 2, 4, and 6. So I'm going to call double list with LST1. Okay, so what should do is you should pass the LST1 to LST and should double all the values. It should return the list. Let's see how this works. So it did work as expected. So what the list that was returned is doubled now for 8 and 12. However, if I check the value of my LST1, I will notice that this also changed. So the reason for this is that when something such as a mutable object as list, when I pass this as an argument to a function, I'm passing this by reference. However, when in the case of integer x, I pass x by value, which means I pass the value of x, which was 10. Here, I pass the list by reference. So any change to LST here will actually reflect to LST1 as well, because they both reference to the same list in the memory.